Okay, so this has to be one of the largest plots I have seen of a villa anywhere in Dubai on the secondary market where you can come in. This is an absolutely fabulous renovation opportunity. We have a plot of land here. Just check out behind me. I very rarely start the video in the garden, but this is just so unique. It is over 14,000 square foot of land. So I'm going to turn around the camera so you can check out exactly what's out here. Then afterwards, and only then afterwards, we'll go inside the house. Now the house is livable. You could move in tomorrow. It obviously has its own personality and taste. So, you know, what I would suggest is that you would come into a house like this, put about 3 million in renovation inside. You don't need to do any built extra. You can't do any other extensions because it's already had all of its extensions it can, but it's a very large property. If you look at the description below, you'll see the exact plot size and the built up area and of course the price. So let's turn around the camera. Okay, so this is the outside plot area. And just check, this is absolutely enormous, and it's obviously a detached villa going all the way down the side of the house. I actually feel like I'm back in England. It's so nice and quiet. You've got the birds screeching. I mean, obviously this whole swimming pool needs a whole, you know, refurb of new. You could do a nice new infinity pool, but just look how much land you've got here. It's enormous. This is a 5-bedroom villa, by the way. You've got that lovely terrace area where I just started the video. I just want to walk around this land because it's the plot of land that really sells this villa. Inside is obviously old style and it needs some work, but isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? And you know, it's in the afternoon, early evening, you've got the sun coming straight in, so it's absolutely fabulous for, you know, drinks or swimming out at night. So now let's go into the house and just check out what's where. I'm going to take off my shoes because at the moment it's wooden floor. So this is the main family living area that comes straight in from the front door. So if I just turn it round, that's where we've just walked. So this is the main living area, and it's not small. I mean, it's pretty huge, right? That's enormous. Really, really large for Dubai. So that's your front door. You walk in and we've got 1 bedroom downstairs. I can't put the lights on, I'm so sorry, but I think you can see this. So you've got 1 bedroom downstairs with ensuite bathroom. And of course, these are old style, but perfectly working. So you could move in literally tomorrow and then get going room by room in your own time. And then we've got storage. We've got a downstairs bathroom, which you really can't see. That is the maid's room down there and out to the garage. So just have a look there. You've got the maid's room and you've got like her own like exit entrance. And even for maid's room standards, that's a pretty good size. And then that goes out to the back door. Now check out the kitchen. The kitchen again is enormous, and you know, it has been upgraded. If it's not to your taste or style, then obviously, you know, again, that's a renovation opportunity. This massive dining area that goes straight out onto the terrace and outside the garden. I mean, isn't this a massive plot? You're probably thinking to yourself as you're watching this video, my goodness, this is the largest plot Lucy's ever covered as a villa. I mean, this is bigger than a lot of the Palm Jumeirah plots I've covered. I mean, seriously, I'm not exaggerating. You've got this lovely island, and this is all cupboards, you know, but again, I'm seeing the whole of this just being basically changed and made all white. And just, you know, and a fabulous opportunity here for a kitchen overhaul. Now, as we go up the stairs, and that was downstairs, the main hall and the front door. So as we go up the stairs, we have 4 bedrooms upstairs, and we have a family lounge. So you've got bedroom 1 here. You can see out the views there. And you've got a bathroom ensuite here. There we have it, with a bath. This is the family lounge, which has kind of been glassed off, but again, that can all be changed into a TV room. You've got a little terrace out there. That's really nice. And we're overlooking the park as well here. So a villa similar to this has just closed at 20 million dirham, fully renovated. So there's a massive opportunity here. Another bedroom, and these bedrooms are not small. Again, it's got its own terrace, looking straight onto the garden. It's just really lovely and green. And its own bathroom there. And these are not small bathrooms. I mean, if you think what's coming on the market these days, it's so small. This here is a dressing room. So isn't that lovely? Walk in. And then finally, you have got the master bedroom here. Okay, and the master bedroom has the terrace. I can't quite get out there, but there's the terrace out to the garden where we just were, so you can see. And so obviously that family room you could also make into a bedroom. And look at this bathroom for the master. I mean, it just goes on and on. There you have it, double sink. And the shower in there. And you've got the toilet in there. So this family lounge actually upstairs could be another bedroom. So instead of that, you could have 1, 2, 3 for the family lounge, or you could change that back to a bedroom instead of it being a dressing room. So let's just walk back down so you can see. There we go. Very different house, right? And actually reminds me quite a lot of the homes in the UK. But there's definitely opportunity here. So if you are a developer or someone that's looking to invest in villas, this is definitely one to look at. Just because I'm going to end on this because I just love it so much. This plot is just so special. So there you have it. So remember, check out the description below on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel because you're going to be missing out on deals just like this. These properties do not stay on the market for very long. Our market moves fast here in Dubai. And I'd love to help you with this villa and others. So get in touch with me, and I've got all sorts hidden up my sleeve. So you don't know what you don't know. Let's speak. Take care. Thank you for watching.